Dr. Torbati is an amazing OBGYN. I've been going to him for over 10 years. I've been coming to see him for all of my annual checkups, and he's also helped me deliver both my babies.
Dr. Torbati is very open and welcoming. His whole entire staff is actually very open and welcoming. Every question I ever have, he always answers it, and my husband actually is very anxious when it comes to medical procedures, and so when he came into the office, Dr. Torbati always spoke to my husband and answered all his questions, and he made my husband feel very comfortable, which made me feel comfortable as well.
I have been a patient of Dr. Torbati's for over a year. In fact, he delivered my firstborn.
He's wonderful, he's supportive, helps you to make the best decisions for what's best for you and your family.
He's an excellent surgeon. Dr. Torbati is a perfectionist. Everything he does has to be perfect.
It's very comprehensive. All of his testing for all of your pregnancy needs are all done in-house. You don't have to get sent to a bunch of referrals or other doctors for anything.
Every ultrasound I've had has been in his office. He's done all of them. I don't have to go anywhere. And it's a fantastic experience because I come here, I get everything done, and I can go. I don't have to go anywhere else. It's great.
I mean, he was so hands-on. Any questions that I had or concerns, he was there to answer.
Dr. Torbati is one of the best in his field. He's kind, patient, considerate. He's amazing in the delivery room.
My scar has been healing well. I had no pain. It was a fantastic procedure, and he just, the whole entire time during my C-section, he spoke to me, he talked to me, he laughed because my daughter came out looking exactly like my husband, and so he lifted my daughter up. Before I even saw her, he said, "Oh my gosh, she looks so much like your husband," lifted her up, and it was such a wonderful experience. Every experience I've had with him actually has been wonderful.
He's very knowledgeable, his staff is knowledgeable.
His wife, who helps him also, they just welcomed me, embraced me, and I felt comfortable.
He's up to date on all the exams that are supposed to be done, all the blood tests that are supposed to be done.
I would recommend Dr. Torbati to everybody. A lot of my friends actually are patients of his now because I've highly recommended him to many people.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Torbati to anybody, any and everybody, because he is the best doctor ever.
Every time I call on the phone, the staff is very welcoming and happy to talk to me. They can find appointments for me that day if I really need one, or they can accommodate my schedule. I have 3 kids, and a lot of times I'll have to bring my kids in, and the staff is wonderful with them.
I'd really recommend Dr. Torbati to all of my friends and family. I feel like he's really safe. He makes me feel comfortable. He's the most knowledgeable in his field.
He's been doing this for many years, and he makes you feel safe, secure. You can trust him. Having a baby can be a very emotional time, and I was able to talk to Dr. Torbati. We would talk during my visits here, and he would check up on me, how I was doing mentally, physically, emotionally, and I think that's what every woman should look for in a doctor. Someone who's going to be there for them, not only on the table, but off the table too.